morning, everyone. Today is 9th of June 2026. Kahit hindi nyo na itatanong at kahit wala kayong pakialam, joke lang, birthday ko today, my 48th birthday. So I decided that this year hindi maghanda, hindi mag-celebrate. I'm just being grateful that I reached this age without any serious illness. I am in good health. I'm in good condition. Well provided by God. God provides all my needs. My family are all in good health. So I decided lang na today, as my birthday treat to myself, I will get me some full body massage. Punta ko ngayon sa Swindon sa beauty salon ni Sis Dali. So samahan nyo ko sa journey na to. It's gonna be like 45 minutes give or take. At the moment, sunny ang weather. Pero sabi sa forecast, around 10 is gonna be raining in Swindon. So nagdala ako ng payong just in case. So yun, see you a bit later. Try natin i-video pagdating dun sa salon ni Sis Dali kung game siya maki-vlogger sa akin. Alright, see you later. So as you can see, nasa bus ako kasi nga hindi ako nagda-drive. So kapag nagta-travel ako kagaya nito, sumasakay lang ako ng bus. Safe naman eh. Kanina maaga, ngayon kumulimlim na naman. Pero okay lang, as long as hindi umuulan. Thanks very much. Dito pala. We're here in Swindon. So maglalakad ako ngayon ng mga siguro 5 minutes or 7. 10:54. Pardon?
10 minutes late.
Is it?
Were you on the bus?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10 minutes late. Oh, it's because of all the stops.
Maybe, yeah. Depends on the people going hop in and hop
There's
off.
just a lot of people stopping.
That's right. Have a good day, though. Is it? Oh. Ooh, mga basura. Tama ba itong dinadaanan ko? 3 minutes. Medyo dugyot ang part na to ng Swindon. Dahil siguro nasa likod siya ng building itong dinadaanan ko. Anong oras kaya nagbubukas itong mga to? Ay, ganda ng weather. Hope it will stay this way until the afternoon. Oopsie daisy. Sorry. Tawid ka ng tawid. Look to your right and to your left. Sarap. Sarap talaga maglakad, no? Oh, 11 na. Lapit na ako. I just have to cross the road, I guess. Nandito na ako. Meron pang customer si Sis Dali sa taas. So, dyan. Sa taas yung ano niya. Yung beauty salon.
Inon ko, yung pala, ang timer ang naka-on.
Oh, so hindi siya.
Kaya, I'm trying to warm it up.
Oh, it's okay.
Kaya kung gusto mong mag-coffee muna tayo.
Sige.
Oh, try.
Ito ang beauty salon ni Sis Dali. Isa sa kami sa mga regular customers niya. You are very welcome to have a full body massage. If bet nyo ang magpa-full body massage, meron siya. Kung gusto nyo magpa-acrylic, meron din siya. Facial, di ba sis?
Yeah, I do everything.
Tapos meron pa siya natitirang Jake's
Oo,
Organic
hindi na
Party
ni
dyan.
Rachel, nasa likod pala ng frame. Ito kasi,
Wow, pinaka-frame mo
nakaganyan.
pa!
Ito, yun ang ginamit kong ano. So, hindi nakita yun, nandito si Rachel.
Ah, katuwa ka naman, finray mo pa. Thank you, Sis Dali, for your coffee and pa-biscuit. Na-warm pa kasi yung stone na pang-massage sa akin, kaya magko-coffee-coffee muna kami. How many years na tong beauty salon mo?
Magti-3. 3 years din na yung, October.
3 years na, this October. So, ano-ano sis ang iyong service to offer?
All in beauty,
Yeah.
from eyebrow to toes. from head to toes.
May
Eh.
eyelashes ka, merong...
Yeah, every in beauty, I do.
Pinag-aralan mo yun, di ba?
So
Yung
LBQ,
some
I have
course.
LBQ 2 and 3 in beauty.
Yan.
And then I'm doing the NVQ 4 soon. Yeah.
This
It's
year?
more on managerial at saka laser. Hair
Sa-
laser.
Hair laser?
Yeah. Para hindi na tumubo. Like down there, or sa
Okay,
dito,
okay.
sa underarm.
Armpit. Yung mga ganun nga pala, no?
At saka NVQ 4 is more on managerial.
Mhm.
Salon manager, ganun.
Kailan mo sisimulan? This year?
September. Hopefully sa September.
Magkano yung ganung courses, sis?
Yung NVQ 2, nasa mga 1,000 something. NVQ 2, and tapos yung 3 every year. Yun. So, I don't know how much this one. Probably the same. Kasi nabayaran ko noon, mga more than 1,000 yun.
Wow, mahal din, no?
1 year. Ang kapatid mo ba?
Serena.
Ah, really na pala. Ano sabi niya yung experience
Oo,
niya?
narelax siya.
Gusto niya?
Nahihiya nga lang daw siyang sabihin sa'yo. Gusto niya kasi yung talagang...
Hard.
You should tell her.
Yeah.
She wouldn't mind. Sabi, sige, next time. Pero nag-enjoy siya, na-relax siya. Katulog nga siya sa pauwi nila. Tulog siya sa biyahe.
Yeah. Nag-enjoy siya, binigyan pa niya nga ng tip eh.
Sabi
ko, you don't need to.
Mabait.
Nahiya tuloy ako, so binigyan ko na lang siya ng freebie. Binigyan ko siya ng pedicure, kit for, yung ganyan, pedi at home.
Turkish rice. Yeah. Junit ang pangalan. Katapos lang ng aking, ano ba yung Lucius and Spelucius.
Himalayan.
Himalayan
stone massage. By Sis Dali, hot stone massage. Apakasarap.
Dito tayo.
I feel relaxed. So, punta kami ngayon dito. Authentic Turkish Cafe. Ililibre daw ako ni Sis Dali because birthday ko daw kasi.
Meron siyang kebab. Ito ang paborito ko. Ito. Chicken kebab with rice and salad.
Sige.
Have that one. I'll let you try that one.
Okay.
So yeah, and then you have that one,
One
please.
chicken among goods, yeah? No problem. And
Turkish tea.
Yeah, sure.
It's really good.
I'll take your word for it.
It's why we get your restaurant.
Okay.
She's gonna promote your restaurant.
Good, thank you.
Authentic Turkish Cafe here in Swindon.
Kaya,
Name ng kanilang restaurant. Nagmamantika ako. Ay, grabe naman. Sis Dali treat me for lunch in a Turkish restaurant. Thank you, Sis Dali, for your birthday treat. I appreciate it. Thank you. Kain muna kami.